Alright, what is up guys? What is going on? My name is Joseph, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video is a very interesting video. I just got back, I was out and about in New York. I had to run some errands earlier, but it is pouring outside, so if you hear rain, sorry. I'm gonna try to edit it so that you can't really hear it, but it's like pouring crazy outside. But yeah, today we're gonna be doing an updated EDC video. I'm super excited for this video because I've actually upgraded my setup. I'm excited. Alright, let me stop rambling. Welcome. Let's get into it. Alright guys, what is going on? Yes, we're back. Let's get into it. I'll show you guys the bag of choice first. This is a bait bag from 2022, if I remember correctly. I got it from the magazine that they drop. It was from Kinokuniya. And yeah, it looks really, really nice. I use it. You could put it as like a side bag, or you could also just hold it. I use it as a side bag, but you could also use it as a holder, like this. Yeah, it has a bit of wear and tear because I do use it a lot. So, bait bag. Amazing. It wasn't that expensive. I've tried the bigger one, the messenger bag, which is a little too big for me. I used to stuff it with a lot of stuff, so I got rid of that one. I also have the smaller one, the small sling, and that's good, but it can't fit everything that I need, specifically one of the new devices that I ended up getting. So I have that for like off days where I don't have to carry a lot. But for most days, I carry this one because it holds everything and then a couple other little things. So yeah, I'm super happy with the bag. I use it all the time. Now let's get into my essentials. We'll start off with this. My headphones of choice, still. The, what is this? The Studio Buds. The original Studio Buds, not the new ones, not the V2s. These are just the regular Studio Buds. It's my second pair of these. My original pair died. Like, they don't charge. It has some like connection errors and whatnot, so I like them enough to buy another pair. Plus they were on sale, so I got me another pair. They're good. Noise canceling, really great on this. Transparency mode, good, and then just basic regular listening is okay. It came in this rubber strap with this like rubberized strap from Amazon. It was on sale. It was a good price. It has a carabiner included. I can't say too much, nothing wrong. It has USB-C. It seamlessly connects to all my devices, so I can switch from my MacBook, my Mac Pro, to my phone, from my phone to the iPad. So it's just a seamless connection, just like the AirPods. So yeah, I still have these. I know some people are gonna ask, what about your Skullcandy Crusher ENCs, your Evo ENCs? I love those. They're amazing, bass, everything, EQing, but they're like big headphones. Recently I've been a little more minimal, so I carry these, and that's just me. I use the other one still for when I'm at home and I'm editing videos, but like taking them out and about, I don't do that as much. So that's that. Beats Studio Buds, and then we have my smartwatch of choice. I know you guys saw on my TikTok and my social medias, I was using the Galaxy Watch. Now that's a good watch, but I reverted back to Apple Watch because there's certain things, I have iOS, there's certain things that you can't do on the Galaxy Watch. That'd be cool if you could, but you can't. So yeah, we have the Apple Watch Series 3, and I know it looks like the Apple Watch Ultra, the original version, the V1, but it's just a conversion kit that I bought off Amazon. The actual case housing was $15. The strap was $10, and it looks just like an Ultra, and it's not one of those AliExpress, Temu, garbage plastic things. No, this is made out of actual metal. That's actual metal. It's like, it has like a layer right here so it doesn't scratch the actual screen, the actual wheel. So this, the crown, is actually, it's not one of those where it has the sticky and then you stick it on. No, it's built into the whole housing. The button actually clicks really nice. Has this button as well, which doesn't do anything, but it's cool. Has all, it looks basically like a one-to-one copy of the Apple Watch Ultra. The actual band is really nice. I actually like the band. One gripe that I had with the band, it's like right now I've broken it in so it's really soft, but when you first get this strap, it is uncomfortable. I almost returned it because it would... Let me actually throw it on and show you guys. So I'll throw it on right now. Bam, bam, and on. Sorry for that. But yeah, this is how it fits. And the actual strap right here would like, it would move like that. And the rubber was very stiff. So I would get like imprints here and it would like rub on my skin. It would just feel uncomfortable. So yeah, you just have to break it in. And once you break it in, I use this every day. The strap is really comfortable now, really flexible. It used to be very stiff. But yeah, Apple Watch Series 3 with the conversion kit. Love that. Put that right there. Now, I also upgraded my phone. If you know and you're a fan of the channel and you follow me on socials, you know that I've had the iPhone XR for the longest. Now, I love my XR. I still have it. But it wasn't going to get the next update for OS, for the next OS, iOS, whatever. It's not getting iOS 18. It's rumored, but I just needed an upgrade. Single camera just wasn't cutting it. So I got this, the iPhone 13 base model, 128 gigs. I really like it. It has this silicone blue case to match kind of the phone aspect. Super nice. I'll link it down below. It's really nice and grippy. I have a couple things on it. Hold on, I think I got a message for the TikToks. Yep, it's just a TikTok update. But yeah, really like this. Was it a big upgrade for my XR? Of course. I went from the 8 Plus having dual cameras to the XR having one single camera to dual cameras again. And yeah, I'm in love with this phone. The battery life is splendid. It lasts me all day and then some. My XR would die within like half the day. I'd have to plug it into charge. So yeah, this is a upgrade well worth it. And then we'll talk about this one. This is my planner, my journal, whatever you want to call it, but it's an idea book. It is Spirit Away themed. I got it from Kinokuniya, and I use these round stick big pens. Now I use these because I got so accustomed. Almost all the jobs that I have, I've used these. Are they great? Are they revolutionary? No, they're just pens. I have better pens that I tend to use, but if I'm in a pinch, this will do great. And I just literally carry this around because I'll randomly get an idea for a video or a photo shoot or something will pop into my head, and I'll jot it down here real quick, a little image. I'll draw something, and yeah, when I get out of work or whatever I'm doing, I'll just look at it and then expand on it. So yeah, super nice. And the thing I like about this, it has actual pictures, so it has actual drawings from the movie. So love this, really good quality Kinokuniya. And then I upgraded my tablet of choice. So I had this one beforehand, which is the FireTab 8. I really do like this. It's off at the moment. It is charged. I turned it off. I was watching an episode of The Simpsons, and they kept referring to Alexa this, Alexa that, and this kept going crazy. It's like, play classical music, Alexa, add this to the cart. And I'm like, okay, I turned it off. But yeah, this was my multimedia tablet of choice. It's a good tablet for like media consumption, not media like creative content. No, it can't do any of that. CapCut does not work on this correctly. I tried KineMaster. What is it? KineMaster, the video editor, does not work on this. It literally will not let me edit any videos. Photoshop and Lightroom semi-work. They kind of freeze sometimes, so I can't do any of that. I do use it for video consumption, like movies, TV shows, YouTube. I'll listen to a podcast. I'll listen to music. What else will I do on it? Oh, I read on this. I read manga and comic books in color. But Not as much, cause I have this as well, which is my Kindle, my Kindle Fire. Well, no, I said my Kindle Fire. What am I saying? My brain's just my Kindle Signature Edition. So the paperweight. I love this. It was one of the best investments I've ever done. I was hesitant on getting this. I was thinking about getting another version. Just like I looked into the Scribes. I looked at the books. Is that what that other brand is? Books. But yeah, this one was available. It was at Target. It was discounted a bit, so I bought it, and I use it every day or every other day. This stays by my bedside table, and I like reading on this a lot. And once it gets warmer out, because right now it is pouring rain outside, like I said. But yeah, the screen's great. I'm able to read for long periods of time. It's not color. And one thing, and they're going to update this year. That's what the rumors are saying. For me, my like favorite Kindle would be this. Slightly less bezels on it. Kind of to look like the iPad mini. I would have some type of color integration on it, and USB-C it got, which I was like over the moon. No more micro, but my all-time thing is expandable memory. This is my 8 gig. This is my 8 gig variant, and please add an SD card, because this fills up and I have to take stuff out and then transfer other things. But for reading, it's amazing. I have a couple books right now that I'm reading. I have Dune, Matthew McConaughey. I have the new Britney Spears book, the Jeanette McCurdy book. I have a Beatles book. I have some manga. As you can see, the time I got reincarnated as Yamcha. I got this clear case off Amazon, and the pop socket as well. This ain't just any regular pop socket. It is MagSafe. So there we go. Hold on. There we go. There we go. But yeah, I love having a pop socket on it. And yeah, reading and everything is super cool. So color screen, less bezels, and expandable memory would be great. But I love this. I love my FireTab 8, but I had to upgrade because I needed some media consumption, and I was looking at all tablets. I was looking at the OnePlus, I was looking at the Pixel, I was looking at the Samsung ones, and I was also looking at the Fire 11, and I almost pulled the trigger on that tablet, but I got offered this, which is the 10th gen iPad, and the blue colorway, basically brand new, for $130 from an acquaintance of mine. Someone that I know was trying to get rid of his because he really didn't use it, and offered it to me for $130. So I was like, why not? And I didn't think I was going to use it too much, but like, let me try to unlock it, show you guys everything that's on my home screen. So hopefully you guys could see this. I have the weather, because I have to have a weather widget even on my phone. Calendar. This is Kindle Unlimited. That is connected to Spotify at the moment. It's supposed to be like iPod type of widget. We have panels. We have this one right here, which just has all the stuff that's charging at the moment. And then all the way on top, we have Notion, which I recently started using as of the middle of last year, and it has taken over my life. I use it for everything now. I used to use Google Calendar, but like Notion better. I still have Google Calendar and the regular Apple one, but like Notion is a chef's kiss. I've also been using panels. Shouts out to the good people at TikTok for recommending me some of the people on TikTok. And I started using Panel, so I have it loaded up at the moment with all the graphic novels that I'm reading. And yeah, This is 64 gigs. I did order a mini USB-C flash drive by Samsung that should be arriving soon. So that'll add a little bit of memory so I can just transfer files in between. And yeah, it's really, really nice. It's a big 10.2 inch touchscreen, really good colors. I'm also waiting on my paper-like screen protector that's coming through Amazon. It's delayed, but this is what a tablet should be. And once you get into the Apple ecosystem, you just can't leave. Almost everything that I have is Apple. My Apple Watch works seamlessly with my iPad, which works with my iPhone, which works with my Studio Buds. It's just, that's how they get you. And I have all the apps. I have DaVinci on here, Photoshop, Lightroom, Canva, Google Drive, Google Maps. What else do I have? I have PicArt. I love PicArt. What else do I have? Sorry, I'm trying to open. Where is all my creativity stuff? I have Handy, which comes in handy. I have CapCut. I have HiPaint at the moment. I have this one, which is Infinity Photos, which I'm learning how to work. But yeah, let's turn that off. And yeah, my iPad Tension. I love it. I got this folio case from Amazon as well. It was only like less than $10. It was like $7 and some change, and it really matches with the actual iPad. So I love this. And yeah, that's my entire EDC. I almost forgot. Holy moly, my portable charger, my portable bank. This is by Inu, I think. It was recommended to me by what's it called? Oh my god, what's his tag? Your Average Consumer recommended this to me. He's also from Brooklyn. He's from Flatbush, actually. He recommended this to me, and it is the best power bank I've ever had. It has 2 USB 3.0 ports, and it has 1 USB-C port in the middle, and it has a pop-out stand, like so. So you can put your phone right in the middle and start viewing your video consumptions. So that is super cool. So you could literally prop it, use it, and charge it. And the battery life on this lasts forever. I used it all day yesterday to charge my phone and my headphones, and it's only at 32%. So that says something. These are all my devices. Should I include this? Why not? My water bottle of choice is this, what is it called? Hydro Peak. Now, Stanley. I hate Stanleys. I'm sorry, I'm not paying $55, $40 for a Stanley. This one I saw, TikTok people told me about, and I went to my local TJ Maxx. This colorway I'm in love with. I have a couple stickers. My AMLO sticker, for tea. Then we have my iFixit sticker, and then my Hunter sticker. But yeah, I've been drinking a lot more water. I've been a lot more productive. And now when I'm in my computer desk editing videos, I'll drink like 3 of these. So that's a good thing. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video. My name is Joseph. Stay tuned. I have a video coming up. Let me actually show you guys. This is an interesting video. I have two MacBook Pros. It's a video that I'm working on. I have 2 non-working MacBook Pros that I'm trying to upgrade and install Monterey on it. If not Monterey, I want to install Ventura. But yeah, these are 2. They boot up and stuff. I just need to work out the kinks in them. But yeah, peace.